The Volvo P1800 model 2026 brings a perfect blend of classic styling and modern technology. This new version stays true to its legendary heritage while incorporating cutting-edge advancements in automotive engineering. The exterior design remains elegant, with smooth curves, a bold front grille, and sleek LED headlights that enhance its futuristic appeal. The body structure is aerodynamically refined, contributing to better performance and fuel efficiency. With a lightweight yet durable chassis, the car maintains agility and strength, making it a visually stunning and high-performing coupe. The suspension system has been engineered for superior handling and ride comfort. Equipped with adaptive dampers and independent suspension, the Volvo P1800 2026 ensures a smooth and stable ride on various terrains. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on highways, the suspension absorbs road imperfections efficiently, offering a comfortable and responsive driving experience. The integration of electronic stability control and advanced traction systems enhances its control and handling, making every drive both secure and exhilarating. Road grip and speed are key highlights of the Volvo P1800 model 2026. The car is fitted with high-performance tires that provide excellent traction, ensuring stability even at higher speeds. With an all-wheel drive system and precision-engineered aerodynamics, the P1800 maintains firm control in different driving conditions. Under the hood, a powerful yet efficient hybrid engine delivers impressive acceleration and top speeds while maintaining eco-friendly emissions. The combination of lightweight materials and powertrain efficiency ensures a dynamic and engaging drive. The interior of the Volvo P1800 is a masterpiece of modern luxury and comfort. Premium leather seats with ergonomic support provide maximum comfort during long drives. The dashboard is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, featuring an intuitive infotainment system with touchscreen controls, wireless connectivity, and advanced navigation. The cabin is finished with high-quality wood and metal accents, adding to its sophisticated appeal. Ambient lighting enhances the overall atmosphere, making the interior a perfect fusion of vintage elegance and futuristic design. The seat colors are available in a range of premium options, including deep brown, charcoal black, and classic beige, allowing buyers to personalize their driving experience. The attention to detail in the upholstery, stitching, and material quality reflects Volvo's commitment to craftsmanship and luxury. Every aspect of the interior is designed to provide a sense of exclusivity and comfort. Overall, the Volvo P1800 model 2026 is a remarkable evolution of a timeless classic. It delivers outstanding performance, precise handling, and a luxurious driving experience. Combining the essence of its vintage charm with state-of-the-art technology, this coupe stands out as a perfect choice for car enthusiasts who appreciate both heritage and innovation.